Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been seeing a breakdown here of the parallel channel, suggesting that Bitcoin is losing its strength here right now in the current trend here. And literally right now we are retesting our previous very strong upward sloping support line as resistance on the time as we're speaking. Are we going to see a re-entry of this channel, or are we going to see a rejection from here on, what could be leading, of course, towards lower prices? We're going to discuss all the probabilities, what is most likely to happen on today's Bitcoin price action. As well, we're going to go over this different chart here. Bitcoin forming a lower low here on the RSI, but on the price chart, we're still setting a higher low, resulting in a hidden bullish divergence where no one is paying attention to us right now, and suggesting that this trend will be continuing towards the upside as well. We're looking to the 4-hourly candles. 4-hourly candles broke this important upward sloping support line. Is this right now a reason to get a little bit worried? Is this a signal that Bitcoin is cooling off its momentum on the current trend towards the upside? As well, we're going to talk about the hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hourly candle. So we're seeing several bullish divergence playing out today here. So I am getting very excited about today's video here. And as well, we're going to go over the daily channel. We are once again not getting supported by the 40.6k here, what I was personally not expecting at all here, of course resulting in hitting my stop loss right away here. And right now I will be looking at the next opportunity. So these are all the things that I'm going to discuss on today's video. Make sure that you are the one who's going to smash up that like button right away here. If we're going to reach 400 likes on this video, I will be bringing out another Ethereum update video later today. Yesterday we reached the 470 likes on the video, so yeah, I mean, hitting up the 400 likes is definitely doable, and you will be getting also another Ethereum update later today on this channel here. So with this out of the way, I will be right away going into the price action, and of course make sure to as well ring the bell notification if you don't want to be missing out on any of these videos. So yeah, we did this out of the way here. Let me go right away into the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, we were looking at this very significant parallel channel. We were seeing the top side providing resistance along the way up here, lower side providing support, looking like a very healthy channel, and I was already warning everyone about it. As soon as we're going to close 1-hourly candle below the middle line here of the parallel channel, we start to move down here, most likely towards this upper sloping support line. But yeah, we failed to hold that line as well here. It was coming together to my my good entry target here, since I was approaching, of course, the 40.6k is a very good accumulation zone for Bitcoin to maybe potentially open up another trade here. Unfortunately, I was not getting my entry price in there, so I still have to be waiting for the next opportunity here. As well, right now Bitcoin, of course, traded below it, and right now we are moving up once again here. First of all, I do expect the reason why Bitcoin is right now moving up here to be because of the hidden bullish divergence right now here. It's a very important structure that you want to be paying attention to towards, because in hidden bullish divergence is always signifying, of course, a market and a trend, a market reversal on the point that you're trading on. And right now we are in a bullish trend here, so it is suggesting that we're just going to continue the trend towards the upside, and that we're going to see higher prices from here on here. So it is basically suggesting another move up here. And since, of course, tweeting about this one, since tweeting about this hidden bullish divergence over here, we already saw, of course, a very beautiful increasement in valuation. So if you, of course, benefited from the tweet I made here, it will be, of course, really amazing if you're as well going to hit that follow button here on my Twitter page. And of course, if you haven't already followed me here on Twitter, make sure to do so right now here at Rover CRC. We are very close towards the 9,000 followers here. Would be amazing if you're going to hit that follow button over there as well here, since we're growing very quickly as well on Twitter, and since we're giving market updates on Twitter if I'm not able to be, of course, on YouTube. So make sure to check that out as well here. So yeah, hidden bullish divergence resulting in the market to move up from there on here as well. If we're looking differently to this chart here, yeah, you can just clearly see we're running in towards resistance. It can be very likely to see a correction from here on, since this support was, of course, very strong, providing, of course, rallies of an approximately surges around the 12% here. So it's a very strong level of support, and usually these strong levels of previous support can be, of course, rejecting us also very significantly. But since seeing a hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour, personally, I do expect a re-entry here for Bitcoin. So that will be also my predictions here. I will be not longing or shorting this. I will be not shorting it since I'm seeing these hidden bullish divergence, and I will be not longing it since we're trading against resistance. So right now, I'm not seeing a very good opportunity to open a trade for Bitcoin right now here. Right now here. But I do want to be raising the awareness, of course. So let me move on to the next subject here, and let me go into the 4-hourly candles here. So you know here, if you look into this chart here, that we were forming a beautiful upward sloping trend here in Bitcoin, and we as well closed 11 daily candles in a row for Bitcoin in the green here. Right now, of course, we closed 2 red candles already. And of course, we broke the trend here. But the last time we were doing so was in 2018 here. And of course, since then, we also saw a beautiful momentum shift towards the upside from there on. So it looks pretty good here. Looks like Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength right now here. And of course, the only bad thing right now here is that we are breaking below this important upward sloping support line. Since, of course, we have seen several touch points over here. And it's just unfortunate that we are not able to keep up the pace on this current trend here. And that we right now have to be moving towards the downside. So yeah, what we can be expecting right now here is that we can be getting rejected and of course find more resistance along the way up here. If we are going to see, of course, resistance getting found on the top side, we will be most likely getting rejected from it. And of course, if we are able to once again close a 4-hourly candle above it, it's of course confirming a re-entry, and we will be just probably continuing the trend towards the upside. But yeah, to be very honest, it's not looking that strong right now. It's not looking that good, to be very honest. It is just very unfortunate that we are seeing the Bitcoin 4-hourly candle close below this upward sloping supportive line. But then let me as well tell you some things here about why I opened at 40.6k trade here. I opened at 40.6k trade here, of course, because of the very important daily level of previous resistance. I was expecting Bitcoin to hold on towards this level, but unfortunately we were not holding on towards this line here, what of course resulting right now in Bitcoin re-entering this range between the 30 towards the 40.6k. So that's pretty unfortunate that we missed out on that one. But it was, of course, Bitcoin that was lacking the significance, and it was pretty unfortunate that we're right now seeing, of course, this daily candle from yesterday closing once again within this channel where we were trading in. But let me go first of all a little bit more further in towards the 4-hourly candles. And on the 4-hourly candles, you can clearly see over here right now is that we have been forming as well a hidden bullish divergence. We have been forming this very interesting hidden bullish divergence as well on the 4-hour. And like I just showed you here on the channel, I of course tweeted already about it. And I was of course warning everyone about that I do expect the trend to move further towards the upside. So, however, I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish, it's extremely bullish or not extremely bearish. I'm just neutral, I'm not in a trade at all, and I'm just going to sit on the sidelines. But currently my technicals are telling me, okay, it's more likely to see the market to move up from here on. And you can see it right there very clearly. You're forming a higher low, what is of course confirming you're still in an uptrend. The uptrend is of course still looking healthy. If we're just identifying the candlesticks here, you can see higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. And as well, if we're looking to the RSI, we're seeing, of course, another trend confirmation. We're seeing like a lower low here on the RSI and a higher low here on the price action, resulting in a hidden bullish divergence, giving us even more strength in this trend here, giving me another reason to think that the market will be moving up from here on here. And besides that, I don't think there are a lot of there are not any of interesting things to look at right now for the market. So yeah, it was a pretty short update video today here, but let me know if you liked it here. Of course, we discussed the most important parts here, what you want to be, of course, paying attention toward right now in the market. So make sure that you are going to keep your eyes out on the Twitter page, since I will be bringing out more and more updates later today here if we're seeing more and more development coming out here. So guys, thank you so much for watching here. You know it, if we're going to reach the 400 likes on this video, I will be bringing out another Ethereum update. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.